All right, so now what I'm doing, I'm taking every one of these screws out. There's 4 of them. I took the first one out and putting red Loctite on them. This time I dropped 2. See, all 4 of these. And then once you go from there, man, I got the oversized pins, which eliminates all play. All right, so now once you got all the bolts Loctite and everything in, go back over it a couple times and make sure everything's tight. Now you're gonna want to get some grease, some high-temp grease, and pack it all in there. Because you want all that stuff to be moving, functioning, working perfectly. So I'm gonna get some grease and then we'll holler back at y'all. As for this side, you're gonna make sure this whole little shindig right there is on this side. Now everything's tight. Now everything's tight. You pack with grease, man. Globs of it. Just pack it.
All over this.
That's to come out of that. All right, so the bigger tilt pins, you got to severely beat those in, man. That ain't no walk in the park. You got to severely beat those in. And then re-greasing this up for the tilt. Heavy grease on everything. Keep everything lubricated. That's in there. So now that's in there. But as you see with the oversized rings, just keep banging them in. Just keep banging them in. Which I still gotta finish banging this one in. There it is. I think that's fine. All right, now that I got that done, I got that going down. Now what you want to do is get this ready, match it up, put that hole, and then go in there. Bam. That piece is in there. And then while you're in there, you have access to your lock cylinder. So you want to get that, pull it in. All right, so I got this back on. I got the key on. 1, 2, and the third one to go, baby. So we got that done. Now I just gotta put the 3 hex screws back in, tighten up the key cylinder, and yeah, man, we on our way, man. We almost done. Put that in. Once I get all that in, then from there do the turn signals, and after the turn signals, I should be able to put the steering wheel on and complete this job, and then go put this on the car. So let me put these hex screws in, tighten up this lock cylinder, and yeah, I'll holla at y'all after that, man. Let's get it. What you want to do now is, it's a bolt inside of that. Shave that down, put that on top. Then put the pusher on top, put that down, push that down, and then put that clamp right there on. Once that clamp is on, you release it. Bam, you in the game, baby. So, yeah, man, let's finish this up. Almost there, almost there. Oh yeah, so my battery died. And in the midst of that, you just put the steering wheel on. But I believe I got it. As you can see, you see the steering wheel, you know what I'm saying, your boy rolling. Right now the steering wheel's supposed to have a little play, which is normal. So I think I fixed the problem. So I think the problem was fixed. It's nothing like it was before. Now I just wish I had my tools so I can finish tightening this up, but I think I'm good. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Steering wheel on, just gotta do a couple more things. And I'll have it done. So basically where we left off, that rod, I just put like 3 spacers. I'll show you later. Slide the wheel on, tighten it up. Done deal. No play. Look at that. Oh my god. If it wasn't for this bench, no play. All the plays in this bench. So. Make sure you tighten everything down. And I made like a little custom thing for the headlights and for the high beams. So, yeah, man, we on. And that's it, y'all.